add a report into a dashboard, select the report widgets from the available list, and from the general section, select the path and select the report you wish to display, and from the parameters, select the output format in which you would like to see the report. We'll see the report in PDF, preview, next, and save and exit. Now let's view the dashboard in the preview mode. And here we can see the available report. So you don't have to go to report section separately, but you can have the report into your dashboard itself. Further to which you can download, take the printout, fit to page, zoom in, zoom out.